Good evening, balaleli lapha emakhaya. Today we have a very special guest, none other than the most famous Ntombi Khumalo. Welcome to our studio for teenagers, Ntombi.
Oh, thank you for having me, Lungelo.
Great pleasure. We know that our listeners are huge fans of yours and that they would love to learn more about you. We would like to thank you for being willing to talk to us. Alright, so question number one. Where and when were you born?
Well, I was born in Pietermaritzburg on the 21st of November, 1994.
Oh wow. Awumdala kanti.
I know.
What was your life like before you started your music career?
Okay, firstly, I grew up with my mother. I didn't live with my father. He lived in another town. We were quite poor and I didn't have the things my friends at school had. But, I made music and I was quite happy at home.
Oh, wow. Okay, so what do you think of education?
Education. Well, learning is very important. Every child must work hard at school. And when I'm a lot older, I want to go to university, help people, and I just want to become a better person,
Okay. So what sports and other leisure activities do you like?
I like all types of sports, but I play hockey and soccer, funny enough. And I like playing chess. I also like playing musical instruments. I can play the guitar, the piano, the drums, and the trumpet.
I think you should teach me how to play drums, actually. Please.
Drums?
Yeah.
Any day, any day.
Okay, cool then. So how did your career take off?
When I was 12, I entered a singing competition, and as a contestant, I won second prize.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Wow.
I know. And then a video of the competition was loaded onto YouTube.
This is where I actually saw you.
Really?
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, and then one of the people who saw the video was a producer who was very impressed with my singing and the way I played my drums, my guitar, and my trumpet.
Yeah, okay.
He then became my manager, and I was only 13 then.
Wow.
And since then, I've been performing and traveling all over the world.
Sure, that's huge. Alright, since you've been away from home for a very long time, what do you miss about your earliest life?
I spend most of my time traveling and I really miss home. Most of all, I miss my friends and my family and my little dog, Lassie.
You also love dogs?
I love dogs.
Okay, wow. I love them also. So, what message do you have for other young people out there?
Okay, I just want to tell others out there that you can do anything if you just put your mind to it.
Well, that's it for today. Siphokazi. Oh no, I meant Ntombi. Thank you for coming today.
Oh, thank you. It was a pleasure. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you for having me.
Awesome.